guys, welcome to Pier Runners. I'm Alex, and today we're going to be going over some really cute cruise outfits that I found on Amazon. So all the items that I'm going to show you today, I'll list them in the description box down below if you are looking to buy them. All right, so let's begin. So the first outfit that I found for myself that I thought was so adorable is this two-piece set. It's basically a little vest with the matching shorts. The material on this is so silky smooth and super lightweight. And what I like about this one specifically is that I can wear this with a regular bra, so it doesn't show the bra on the side, and it's very breathable, which is really nice. I really think the shorts are really pretty too on their own. Now I love that the shorts have an elastic band at the top, and I like the length of the shorts too. It doesn't go too high up my thigh. I love that this comes in two pieces, so I can mix and match these with different tops or bottoms. Now I'm wearing this in the size small, and I could say that it fits true to size. Now I paired that outfit with these cute little sandals. This is from the company The Drop, and they're just the perfect sandal to walk around in. They're super comfortable, and I think you can never go wrong with a nice little pair of white sandals. Now the next outfit that I want to show you, it's a super cute little lounge set. Now this is made of a buttery soft material. It almost feels like a Lululemon product. Now if you look at the pants, they are a cropped style pant, and this has an elastic waist, so it's super comfortable. So this with a little pair of runners for your travel day is so perfect. You can just throw on a little sweater or something just to keep you warm during the flight. And it's perfect for those lazy cruise days where you just want to be comfortable. Another little outfit that I wanted to show you is this little jumper that I found. I think this would be so cute for embarkation day. What I like about this is it looks kind of like a little dress, but it's actually shorts. And here it does have like a little tie at the top. You can even wear like a little undershirt under this if you find the cut is too low. And you can wear this with a little pair of sandals on that embarkation day, and it's super casual, or you can dress it up with some heels and actually go to dinner with it. The next outfit I wanted to show you is this cute little dress that I got. I really like the eyelet details on this dress. I think it's just so summery and fun. It's made out of cotton, so it is a very breathable material, and it's a very modest dress. It comes up pretty high on the neck here, so it doesn't show your chest too much, and it does have these cute little sleeves too. I really love the color, but this also comes in a whole bunch of colors. I think it can be worn with sandals, or you can dress it up with some heels and go to a nice dinner with this dress. The next little dress I wanted to show you is this one. This is again made with that super soft buttery material. I think it's really pretty. Now I decided to get it in this creamy color with these blue and pink accents. It's very neutral, and it does have like elastic band at the top. You can wear this either as a shoulderless dress, or you can put these sleeves here at the top because they do have these cute little flutter sleeves. But I really love this material, and it's super comfortable. Now the next dress that I found is kind of like in the same style, but it's made with a very different material. This feels more like polyester of some sort. It is super lightweight, and I think this would be perfect for an excursion or even a night out. Now again, this is an off-the-shoulder dress. I took it in this bright blue and a white pattern, which I think is super tropical, but it does come in a whole bunch of different colors and patterns. It does have this little front flap here, which I think I really like. It makes it look a little bit more elegant. Now what I like about this one too is that there's a slit here on the side. It's a super simple dress, but I think it looks really pretty. Another dress I wanted to show you is this cute little dress with these puff sleeves. And again, you got that elastic band across the chest area. So it's very comfortable, and it can fit different chest sizes, which is really nice. This again is made of a super flowy material. Now this comes in another color, I think white and blue. And I almost ordered that, but because I have so many dresses in blue now, I decided to go with the pink one. It's a very elegant dress, and I think if you're looking for something comfortable to wear on your cruise, this is a really nice option. And as you're gonna see, I've also paired a lot of the outfits with this little beach bag that I got on Amazon. I really like the color of the straw here. It's like a light colored straw bag, and it does have like these fake leather straps. I think this goes with so many different outfits, and it's a nice size. You can fit quite a lot of stuff in this bag, as you can see. So it's perfect for like sightseeing, so that you can bring a couple of like essentials with you, or if you're just going to a dinner, you can put most of your stuff in here. All right, the next outfit I want to show you is this two-piece set. So you got this cute little crop top here, and it does come with these super flowy pants. Now this material again is that super lightweight, breathable material. It just feels like air. So when you have it on, it feels like you're wearing absolutely nothing. I really like the detail of the little buttons on the back here. I think it adds a really nice little touch, and it's very elegant. I love the pants and how flowy they are. Now these are a little bit more cropped at the bottom, but I think they're still really pretty. The pants itself, you can see there's a nice little piece of solid fabric here in the front. But if you look at the back of the pants, it does have this elastic band, which is really nice and comfortable, especially if you eat a lot on the cruise and you gain a little bit of weight. So highly recommend this outfit. You can get it in different colors. I got it in this beautiful navy blue, but you can get it in black, you can get it in cream, you can get it in an olive green. So you have lots of choices in color for this two-piece set. So now I want to show you a couple of more dresses. These are more fancy dresses. This is a one-shoulder dress. I really loved the color of this dress. I just thought it was so tropical and fun. And I absolutely love the material of this dress. It's just so lightweight and flowy. I love how it ties on one side and then it tears out. It's very elegant, but it's also casual at the same time. All right, the next dress I wanted to show you is this little blue and white polka dot dress that I found on Amazon. I think it's so cute and just so elegant. I love the ruching here at the top. This is an elastic top, and this also comes in a whole bunch of different colors. I actually saw it in brown and absolutely love the brown, but brown is not a color that usually suits me, but I'm still happy with this blue and white polka dot one, and I think it's just so pretty and elegant. Now, the next pair of sandals I wanted to show you are these platform shoes, and these have two clear straps on the top of the foot here. What I like about these ones is that you can wear it with so many different outfits. The platform shoe is so much more comfortable to walk in than a high heel. And I really like the straw detail here, which makes it look a little bit tropical. The next dress that I wanted to show you is this beautiful boho one shoulder dress that I found. I decided to get it in this black and white pattern because I just thought it was just so simple and elegant. Now I love the tie, which looks super boho. And this does come with a little belt in the same material. You could tie this dress up and it'll give you more of a waistline if that's what you're looking for. I think the dress is super elegant, and no matter how you wear it, I think you just can't go wrong with a dress like this for a cruise. Now I've paired that dress with this little straw purse. I think it's just so cute and it emphasizes that boho feeling that I was looking for. Plus, a straw purse like this is just perfect. You can wear it with so many different outfits. It can be casual or dressed up. And this one does come with these little straps, so you can wear it with the strap, or you can just carry it as a little handbag like this. And it is a pretty good size. You can fit like your phone, your wallet, some sunglasses in here, or anything that you really need. So I think it's the perfect size, and I think it's perfect for any kind of tropical vacation. It's just so cute. All right, so now let's talk about some swimsuits. I've been on the hunt for a really cute little bikini. Now, I always have trouble when I'm shopping for bikinis because I wear a medium on the top, but I do wear a small in the bottom part. Now, what's cool about this bikini, it's from a company called Relisiga, and they sell their tops and their bottoms separately, so you can mix and match any top or bottom that you like. I absolutely loved this pattern. I thought it was just so fun with all these bright colors, and I really like the back detail on this, like this crisscross style of bikini top. It has that underwire and the push-up bra on the inside to really support the chest, and I did get the bikini bottom with it, but it does have like different types of bottoms. So it has the high rise, or you can also get it with different swim skirts. So definitely check them out. I love that you can mix and match. The top and the bottom are so comfortable that I might even get this one in another color because I'm so happy with the fit of this bikini. Now for a more elegant or neutral looking bikini, I did decide to go with this black bikini with the matching bottoms. Now I'm wearing this in a medium size, and here there are ties for the bottom, which is really great because you can make this as tight as you want. It has like this ridges texture on it, which I think is really, really pretty. It also has this little peekaboo detail here with this little metal clasp. It just gives it a nice little design element, and it just elevates it to another level. I found this gorgeous beach cover up in this super silky soft material, very lightweight, perfect for the beach or by the pool. And you can button it up, so it's a button down. I could actually even wear this with a pair of leggings or something and, you know, just wear it as loungewear. And it's definitely something I'm gonna bring on my next cruise. Now, if you're looking for some beach cover-ups that are a little bit less expensive, I did get these like beach cover-up skirts. It's basically these sheer materials that you can tie around your waist, so at least you're not so exposed. This one comes as a set of two, so it comes in the black and the white, which I think is perfect, and it's not too expensive. All right, and the last item I wanted to show you is this little necklace set. It actually comes in 3 separate pieces, so you can wear the necklaces separately if you don't want to wear them all together. I really like the longer necklace with the starfish. I think that one would be perfect to wear on its own. You can also wear this, let's say, with a bathing suit or something, and since it's so inexpensive, I don't think it matters if it gets wrecked or anything. I also like how it looks as a little set of 3. I think it's a really nice way to dress up an outfit and to make it look a little bit more tropical. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Those are all my Amazon vacation outfits. I hope you liked this video. I will release a cruise packing video really shortly, so please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell for notifications so that you don't miss it. And I'd really appreciate if you like this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy cruising. Bye.